Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in the vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind. Please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Good morning, everyone. Well, I was going to start giving my spiel. There's only two people in here. That, I don't think you've been in front of me, have you, Attorney Green?
Yeah, I was in front of you about a month ago, Your Honor.
Oh, were you? I'm sorry.
Yeah, with the Andre Garrison, yes.
Yeah. I'm Judge Sean B. Perkins to Mr. Gully. He's been in front of me before, but my mantra is bringing the court to the community. And we're going to start with Jermaine Gully. Are we ready, Miss Williams-Law?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Perkins-Moore.
Ready, Your Honor.
All right. Well, this is the City of Detroit versus Jermaine Orlando Gully, case number U5958691. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right. So I've already spoken with Ms. McCall, who kind of just supervised the things that were laid out for Mr. Gully. He's indicated that he has completed his responsibility. I do see that he's paid the money. So at this point, we're going to close it out under disorderly conduct. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gully, you have a very good day. If you have any questions, it's your turn to ask.
I just wanted to know how long would this be on my record?
Well, that would be a question for a lawyer to give you some advice. We got two very good lawyers in here. Okay. And you may need to take an extra step after so long to get it off, but I can definitely let you speak to Ms. Perkins Moore in the breakout if you want to ask her some questions.
Yes.
All right. All right. What is your client, Garrison? What does he got going on?
Well, Your Honor, he came before you a month ago. He had several suspensions on his record and several tickets, and the court ordered him to work on getting those off, and so he can have his driver's license. As far as I know, he's tried to do that. I tried to call him, and I wasn't able to get through. But I know he's also taking the driver responsibility class, and he does have a DUI left. But he.
What's his Garrison? Garrison?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what's his first name?
Andre.
A-N-D-R-E, right?
Yes, Your Honor. He should be here. I hope that he is. I called him several times.
Well, he's not up for the. I don't have him on the docket today. Let me look a little bit further.
Well, then it might be my mistake, Your Honor. Yeah.
Andre James Garrison.
Yes, Your Honor. I had him on my docket for the day for some reason. I had him on my calendar, but if he's not, that's fine. I'll look at my calendar again. Hold on, let me see.
Scheduled for final pretrial February 1st.
Oh, and we appeared on that date.
Scheduled for pretrial 3/31/22.
3/31/22. Thank you, Your Honor. And I don't know why it was. Yeah.
It should be a final pretrial, but scheduled for pretrial 3/31/22 at 8:35 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much. I guess I had it on my docket twice. I didn't know. I don't know why, but I did.
So
So
better be safe than sorry, right?
that's correct, Your Honor. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a great day, Attorney Green.
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Let me get out of here.
Depending on how many show cars show up.
We got trial, yeah. Two trial.
One trial.
Oh, it was two.
Yeah, but. Really, two, no, two, because no officers put up. That,
How do you know?
no name.
Doesn't mean there's no officer.
Traditionally, unless they got promoted, that's what we right.
Oh, is that what that means?
Me and Walter.
I learn something new every day then.
If it's blank, that means they do about the badge number. So if the badge number change.
Oh, when you get promoted, you get a new badge number?
Mhm.
I didn't know that. I don't understand that.
Right, there's a whole new classification.
I thought when you got that badge, it followed you for the rest of your life.
Everyone, they stop you, once you become a captain, there's no badge number at all. So,
You can't.
right, the captain, commander, deputy chief, assistant chief, chief, no badge number. But also like lieutenants is only like 200 numbers. Sergeants is like maybe 500, like 5,000 for police officers. 5,000. You know, they cancel, they enshrine the ones that have died. Those badges that we use. Other than that.
Morning, Your Honor. Oh, well, you got some Polskis, see?
Yeah, they,
Bring 'em from
a lady up on
far and
five said, Judge Perkins said, if you want some punchies, come down to that. Oh, Judge, I like the paintings. Good morning, you all. I apologize.
Oh, I like that, don't you?
Yes, I like those. Not too much, hanging in there.
All right,
I'm working on Wednesday's docket today,
all right.
but I will be listening.
Your Honor,
What's up?
it's okay if I get one for me and one for the chief judge's office.
All right.
Okay,
That's
thanks.
what's up.
I didn't want you to think I.
I don't wanna take them, I don't wanna take any home, that's what,
Oh, okay.
and I have one, so.
I know, that's all I'm good for.
Ready, Your Honor. And I just received the docket as well.
That's on
You need a docket?
I received it.
Oh, you did receive it? Hey, Ms. Nash, there's our Punchkis there.
Ronnie, what time did you get up to get in line?
Well, what I did was I ordered those ahead of time,
Oh, okay.
and, I got up my order was supposed to be there at 5 o'clock.
Mhm.
And they had two separate lines, but when I got up there at 4:30, 4:45,
Mhm.
it was like 5 minutes, and they gave me my order.
Oh, that's cool.
Rest of the people were right around the building.
Wow,
Well, Your Honor, I appreciate you.
this
sir.
Red Tuesday today, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
That's what I was wondering.
thank you, sir.
All right.
Have a good day.
You have a
I
better
said I was gonna have a fall day, Judge. I guess not.
See you soon.
See, I have a good one, Washington.
day.
Yeah, I kind of feel. Yeah.
So what happened? He didn't show up today?
Huh?
Rapids didn't show up.
I don't know what time he checks it, but he isn't here yet. I said, I think he knew that he had to come in, so he was called up. That's crazy. Yeah. I was like, okay, you got some of the work caught up with.
I did Jermaine Gully.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Check it out. Wow. They know. He's a.
Yeah, he's I just closed him up. He was looking away.
Oh, good.
Good morning, Miss Perkins Moore.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Who's it?
It's Dante.
Hey, Dante, how are you?
I'm good.
Dante, what am I? Chopped liver?
Good morning, Miss Williams Law. I didn't see you. I'm sorry.
Good
You
morning.
never chop liver. How are you this morning?
I'm well. I'm well.
That's good.
You never chop liver after the fact, right?
After
Come on, Judge. Really?
I
Come on. Really, Judge? You really gonna do that?
think everybody says when that comment is made.
Judge, you just keep it going and I was trying to let it go by.
Okay, Mr. This is Olson here.
Okay, Herbert.
Yeah, trial.
Let me pull that. Your Honor, can you tell me the name on the file? I mean, the officer.
Officer is Walker Whitaker.
Whitaker?
That's well, that's 4234.
4234. Let me see if they still here. Whitaker, where is it?
Yes. For when?
What was the badge number, Your Honor?
4234.
Okay, let me check.
Good morning, Mr. Olson.
Got it out now.
Yeah. Ask him if he can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Good morning to you and your wife.
Daughter.
Daughter, I'm sorry.
I can't hear it.
I can't,
Turn it up loud.
I can't hear it. I don't know.
All right, we're gonna wait to see if you're a little bit early.
I don't know how to do that. I can't.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you real light.
Well, I think you gotta do something to your
I'm
system, maybe turn the volume up on your computer or something.
I'm trying. Hold on.
This is the older gentleman with the entering without permission. I think, were you here that last time, Mr. Perkins Moore?
Yes, sir.
You were here that last time with him, Mr. Olson, weren't you?
Yes.
Okay. You got a memory too, don't you?
Yes, I do.
All the cases you do, and you remember that?
No, I don't.
Good for my life. All right, can you hear me, Mr. Olson?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, you're a little bit early. You're not necessarily supposed to be here until 9. I give the officers a half-hour grace period, so at the very latest, it'll be 9:30 before we hear your case. Potentially earlier if the officer checks in at 9, like he or she should. But if you want to sign back in at 9, you're more than welcome. If you want to sit tight, you can sit tight.
Okay,
All right.
I'll wait. I want to get this over with.
All right.
What's going on?
He came through yesterday and I was,
Turn it up louder.
No, that's a cheap one. You have to wait a half hour. Oh, I'm just amazed I can do it because I get frustrated that it won't work. What side?
With as loud as you get it.
Yeah, that's the loudest mine can go. For some reason, it's his side, but you can hear that leather lady real good.
Yeah.
Yeah, cat just wants attention. Okay, start playing. Well, Danny might not be going off next week.
No, she said she ain't gonna be off.
Why?
I don't know. They're just keeping so many people there.
Oh, she volunteered to stay?
No, they make her stay.
Oh. I don't know what they're doing with us. I was staying at 11.
Oh, my fucking nose keep running all the time.
There's some tissue right there. You want some?
Yeah, give me one.
Ooh, like a bird. Must turn the audio there off for you and then go on for face. You have to take John to work tomorrow?
No, he got
He's still
to go
got
on Daddy's car.
Oh, he's still driving it? I'm surprised he's still driving it.
He's paying her him to use the car. That's how I find out. It'll stay on.
It should, I'm waiting for it. It should dull before it goes down.
Because you know, show cause you don't show up, so.
Good morning, Mr. Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez? Oh, he can't hear me.
Oh, he's not connected yet.
No, it's connected now. Olson.
Who is?
Olson.
Okay.
Herbert Olson.
Yeah.
Is he up there?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe so.
Okay.
All right. Good morning. That's good. Who's on the telephone? Good morning. 482-0567.
Yes, hi, Your Honor. It's David Gutierrez.
Oh, okay, you signed in on the phone as well. Okay, I have you checked in already, Mr. Gutierrez. Your trial is not supposed to start. The officer's not supposed to be here until 9. I'll give them a half-hour grace period. If they don't show up, we'll call your case.
Okay,
So,
thank you, Your Honor.
Right, at least, I guess, at least a half hour. Now, did you have a problem connecting your audio to that device? From where you're signed in on, Mr. Gutierrez?
Hi, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I was asking you, you chose to sign, you chose to, instead of using the audio on your device, you chose to phone in?
Oh, to dial in? Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I used to do that sometimes too. But it comes up twice. You come up twice here. I just renamed you. It's okay. It doesn't matter to me how you sign in.
Okay, I apologize, but thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, no need to apologize. But no, it's same way. We hear you good. You hear us. That's the most important thing.
think it's been written statement in or something.
They're under.
For that, maybe it doesn't turn out. My games walk away from it, it disappears for a while.
The what?
I said that my games, if you put anything on there, it disappears after 5 minutes.
I'll return it. Code it.
You might want to, I'm surprised at any.
Yeah, I thought you'd call me. Good. Jim called me.
Oh,
She was at Sam's Club. I had to go up there and get some stuff.
oh, you had to meet her up there?
She's already there.
Officer McNeese.
Yes.
All right, good afternoon, good morning to you. How are you today? I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Attorney Goss. So you can speak with him about this matter. I do have Mr. Gutierrez here. So I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel. And Mr. Gutierrez, I'll give your counsel an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor, and we'll see if we can get a resolution. If not, we'll prepare for trial.
Okay.
Mr. Goss? Do you want to speak with your client, Perkins more?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Gutierrez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the city attorney. I mean, strike that, the defense attorney. It is, I just read to you, it's in the park after dark, and on the comments section, it says drove vehicle past barrier to enter park, and at the time of 3:46 a.m. So that gives you a little bit of facts to work with.
Okay.
Mr. Lewis, Wayne Lewis.
Is there any offer?
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure the offer is gonna be disorderly conduct.
Right, okay.
$240 fine. No, it may be dismissed upon payment, $240. They may pay 3-month delay for that one.
Okay.
3-month delay. Hello.
Morning.
Come on in.
You probably know why I'm here.
You all right?
I'm all right. How you doing, Judge?
Good, good.
How you doing, Madam Clerk? How are you? Good. Dante told me, but I didn't tell nobody else.
No, you can tell. We don't want to take them home, so we don't want to get too fat.
Oh, no, I know. I forgot about today because I actually just went to my little bakery, Canelli, and got a ham and cheese, croissant. But I'm just gonna eat it all today.
Hey, that's what today is all about, right?
Right. I really appreciate it. I was like, what?
Mr. Lewis, can you remove the scarf from your head, please? Let's see. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right. See you later. Tell Shannon to come with one too.
I will.
All right, so we have look up and see. All right. All right, good morning. Who's calling in on that phone? All right. What's the offer on that in the park after dark?
Your Honor, you can go ahead and call that matter.
All right, you want to call the case?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's gonna be a dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus David Joshua Gutierrez, case number SP 120-31331. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, behalf of the people. I also have Officer McNeese. Could you state your name, badge number, and precinct and department you work for?
Officer McNeese, badge 166, City of Detroit, 4th Precinct.
Okay. I am, this is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Good, can you put your appearance on the record, Ms. Perkins Moore? where is Miss Perkins Moore? Did we lose her? All right, can you hear me? Can everyone hear me?
I can hear you, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
Yes,
Honor.
Your Honor, yes, okay.
All right, so, go ahead, we lost Miss Perkins Moore. So go ahead. What is I got Officer McNeese up here. What's gonna be the outcome of this?
We're going to dismiss for officer no recollection.
Okay, all right. Dismiss. No recollection. All right, I'm gonna enter a dismissal. Officer McNeese, I appreciate you being here. Mr. Gutierrez, the case is gonna be dismissed. Officer McNeese, be safe out there. Have a great day if there's nothing further. And Mr. Gutierrez, you have a great day as well, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you very much.
All right, bye-bye. We got Mr. Corporal Waihee, good morning. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, with Attorney Goss. And, you can discuss the matter. I don't know what happened to, our city attorney. Mr. Lewis, I'm just going over your file to make sure we have all the cases and everything is in order, and we'll get you on your way soon as well, all right?
Okay, because I'm kind of still at work.
I see. All right, we'll get you, we're going, let me, just give me a minute. Ms. Perkins Moore, Mr. Gutierrez's case was dismissed, no recollection.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I'm enjoying room 2 and I can't get out of it, so I had to get on another device.
I can sometimes pull you out, but you wouldn't be able to tell me that, I guess.
Okay, because I can't do anything on my iPad. I had to use my phone.
right, let's see, we may need to update it off of, Miss Perkins Moore. There's, Officer Corporal Whitehead is here for, Mr. Olson. I don't know, you got a chance to talk to the city attorney, Mr.
Your Honor.
Goss? Yes,
Corporal Whitehead is here for Raheem Glenn.
okay, Raheem Glenn, okay. Very well, all right, so Mr. Olson is still in the game, huh? All right, let's do this. Mr. At some of Mr. Lewis's tickets here. He's got some defaults that need to be addressed. They happened, some happened last year, some happened in the heart of the pandemic. Then he's got pending cases. I probably will need an updated offer from the city attorney.
On what case is this, Your Honor?
On Lewis. Dwayne Anthony Lewis.
Okay.
Here for show cause, okay.
What's your date of birth, Mr. Lewis?
April 29th, 1997.
All right, we're gonna get you an updated offer. And you can have the right to a trial, or you can take the deal, and then you'll get a chance to speak to Mrs. Perkins more in the breakout room. I wonder why it only comes up with that. Some of them it doesn't. Depends on which ticket you put on there. It comes up with different things.
I know that's happening a lot lately, and I thought it was just because the driver's license number wasn't associated with it.
No, I put it in the
Right.
driver's license number was there.
There's a glitch. You have to, let somebody know.
All right, I think I got them all. Now, he's got some cases, well, some cases 2021 that are in default. He's got some cases in 2020 that are in default, and he's got some cases back to 2019 that are in default. So I'll give you an opportunity, Ms. Perkins, more to discuss that with the city attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Goss, are you there?
Getting ready to come to the courtroom now, Your Honor. I'm getting ready to come to the courtroom now, Your Honor.
Thank you.
What's going on, you all right? Sorry, I'm up or so.
All right, well, I'm gonna wait on an offer and then I'm gonna let you speak with,
Oh. Where's from? Yeah, I know. He works for magistrate agency. That's what happens when school's around.
it is.
Is that anyway? Oh, yeah, trying.
Yeah, I think it's New Palace or something.
Yeah, I'm not going to get some for the weekend. If there's any left.
I'm not gonna go there.
No. Oh, and thank you. I don't think I thanked you for that. Appreciate it. March the 1st. Isn't that March Madness coming up?
Yes, it is. That's my favorite, one of my favorite times of the year.
Yeah. You gonna host the party?
I am hosting talk to Mr. Goss in the breakout room to see if y'all can work out something on those defaults. Mr. Goss? We got, Mr. Lewis is at work. Lawyer.
Did he join yet, Your Honor?
No, yeah, here you go.
Can you put us in the breakout room?
I already did.
Yes.
Yes, she's in your room.
She looking right.
Well, she's ready, waiting for you to join.
Oh.
I'm already on it, man.
I see.
I need to get Mr. Lewis back to work. All right, let's call the case. Mr. Olson, you there? Can you unmute yourself, please? This is the city of Detroit versus Herbert Theodore Olson. Case numbers SP 1220850, counts 1 and counts 3. You have to unmute yourself on that device, the bottom left corner, Mr. Olson. The audio button, if you click that button, you'll have a way to unmute yourself.
Can you hear him now?
Yeah, can you state your name for the record, please?
Herbert Theodore Olson.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. The officer is supposed to be here at 9 a.m. Give the officer a half-hour grace period. It's now 9:34. The officer hasn't appeared, so I'm going to dismiss both the cases for no officer. All right, Mr. Olson?
Okay, thank you.
All right, the case is going to be dismissed, no officer. Have a great day, you and your daughter.
Okay, thank you.
And Mr. Lewis, we're still waiting on that offer from the city attorney. Ms. Perkins Moore, your lawyer, is in the breakout room advocating on your behalf. So just give her a few more minutes.
Okay, you're fine.
We'll try to hurry up and get you back to work.
Okay, you're fine.
Yeah, Corporal Whitehead, I'm gonna give the Raheem Glenn a few more minutes. You can, as a matter of fact, you can check back in at 10 if you want to. I'm gonna give him until 10 o'clock, Mr. Corporal Whitehead, or you can sit tight if you choose. Let me know.
Man,
Hold on. So, all right, you ready to call the cases?
Yeah, Olson is 9:30. You want to call? No officer?
I already got rid of him, no officer.
Okay, good. Okay.
All right, what about, did we get a resolution from Mr. Lewis, or,
Yes, says he's headed back to the courtroom. He has it.
all right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, you can speak with him.
Okay. And what about the state? There's no state. What are you gonna do about the state?
Dismissed based on plea to the city.
Okay, got you. Dismissed based on okay, got it.
All right, join that room, Mr. Lewis.
Room 2.
You won't happen to have a pen on you, big. Thank you. I'm not quite. I didn't try to write this down. Thank you. You're welcome.
We all set?
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Is your client gonna take the deal or is he gonna go to trial?
He's taking the deal, Your Honor. He's ready to plead.
Can you go somewhere where it's a little quieter, Mr. Lewis?
Hello.
I know you're at work, sir, but can you get somewhere where it's a little quieter?
Yes. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm ready now.
All right. I'm trying to finish this paperwork up.
Didn't actually know. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck is written wrong? You got a pen? Never mind.
All right. I think that's everything. I'm under the impression that that if it's not on here, okay, we're gonna dismiss. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Dwayne Anthony Lewis. Case numbers SP 1050382, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1080039, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1080051, SP 1133369, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1133378, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1176934, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1176935, SP 1245310, counts 1, 2, and 3. SX 3596583, counts 1 and counts 2. And U 515099919. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, P 36136, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, state your name, please.
My name is Dwayne Anthony Lewis.
Your Honor, he's here on all matters for a show cause. In the event that there are any warrants, we'd ask that the warrant be set aside. If he has not been arraigned, we would enter a plea of not guilty, stands mute, and waives a formal reading, wherein he would like to avail himself of the recommendation from the city attorney.
Okay, all right, so I have essentially pleading to 1, 2, 3, 4 misdemeanors. The first misdemeanor, the EWOP ticket, will be amended to disorderly conduct. I'll fine your client $240 for that. The second misdemeanor, or 2 of them, are going to be amended to failure to display for the driving while license suspended. I'll fine your client $240 for each of those. Those are misdemeanors that are abstractable to the Secretary of State. However, they don't carry any points. The fourth misdemeanor is a misdemeanor amended count of improper plates. That is a 0-point offense that does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll dismiss that upon payment of the $240. The civil infractions are 1, disregarding a red signal. That carries 3 points. I'll fine them, I think, $130 for that. And then the dirty plate does not carry any points, and it's civil infraction. And I will fine them $105 for that. I'll waive any warrant fees, and he'll be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees. Your client has an absolute right to a trial. It's my understanding that he wants to take this deal.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Is that correct, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
And the maximum possible penalty for the city misdemeanor is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, you have a right, you understand you have a right to a trial, sir?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
Yes.
You understand? Has anybody offered you anything other than what I just stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Sir, let me start by drawing your attention back to May the 16th, 2019, at around 3 p.m. in the area of 20019 St. Albans Street, sir. Were you at that location on that date and time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And at that location, you didn't have, did you have the owner's permission to be there?
No, Your Honor.
Let me ask you this, why were you there, sir?
I was there with a friend, I believe. What? Yeah, I believe I was there with a friend. Just
And y'all
smoke.
are just hanging out at this vacant house?
Yeah, I was homeless around the time, and I was just smoking, being young and dumb in an
You were
abandoned house.
homeless, sir?
Yeah.
I just can't in good conscience, I can't in good conscience allow him to plead to that. I can't imagine being homeless. And, how old are you, sir?
I'm 24 now.
And how old were you then?
Maybe 20. Hold on. What year was it? Probably like,
You were about 19.
yeah, 19. Yeah, I was homeless for sure.
How long were you homeless, sir?
From the time I was 17 to like 20, 21, maybe.
Mr. Goss? All right, let's move on. Let's say for the civil infractions, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible pleas for those civil infractions?
Yes, Your Honor, he'll stipulate.
All right, I'm gonna find your client, responsible for the dirty plate. That's gonna be $105. I'm gonna find your client responsible for the disregarding a red signal. That's gonna be $130. Let's move on to, let's draw your attention back to December 23rd, 2019 at around 3 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lance and Harnard Street, sir. Were you operating a 2008 Dodge on that day?
Yeah.
And that did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance on that Dodge?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates. I'm gonna fine you $240 for that. I'll dismiss that upon payment of $240. Let's move on to September 9th, 2019. Strike that, September 9th, 2021 at around 5:09 p.m., sir, in the area of Pembroke and Prevost in the city of Detroit. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Yeah.
And on that date, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yeah.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, and why is that? You couldn't do it because you didn't have a license, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. That's a $240 fine. Let's draw your attention to March the 27th, 2021 at around 10:12 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Otter Drive and Mound, sir. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir, and on that date, were you asked to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
Because I was still working on getting my license unturned.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. fine him $240 for that. With the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'm gonna dismiss the other matters all the other matters that I called. Let me allow the city attorney to join in on that EWOP. Can you put your appearance on the record, Mr. Goss?
Dante Goss on behalf of the city of Detroit, Your Honor.
All right, I was addressing the EWOP ticket, Counselor, and in good conscience, I can't allow him to plead to this. You know, the young man tells me that from the age of 17 till 20 or 21, he was homeless. And I understand that the city position and trying to make sure that these dwellings aren't disoccupied and people are doing all kind of nefarious stuff, but he's a teenager. I put myself in somebody's shoes as I sit here, and I don't know what I would do if I were homeless at that young of age and did not have anywhere to go. I imagine I would be in one of these houses myself. So if you want to put your objection on the record, or if you want to allow him to plead to something else in exchange for that.
Your Honor, under our policies, there's no other charge other than disorderly for a EWOP ticket, Your Honor.
No, I'm saying if you want him to plead to another one of these misdemeanors that's in here.
I can't dismiss that, Your Honor. So he can plead to anything else, and he can set that one for trial. But the issue is, Your Honor, he entered the property without the owner's written permission, and that is part of the statute. I understand his circumstances at the time, but you know, the law doesn't allow us to do that.
All right, Mr. Lewis, for this EWOP ticket, I'm gonna have you come back on April 29th. All right?
Okay. On my birthday?
Is that your birthday?
Yeah.
Well, come back on your birthday.
I don't have
Your Honor, give him another date.
I don't have a problem with it.
Don't mess the man's birthday up.
We'll bring him back on his birthday. We're gonna bring him back on his birthday. Y'all don't want to dismiss it now, so we'll make y'all, if he has to, the officer we'll have to have a trial, and he can find him guilty on his birthday. How about that?
Okay.
All right, a trial date for this matter, April 29th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Get here around 9 a.m., sir. If the officer, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. So if you get here at 9 a.m., at the very latest, we'll have your case heard at that time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a pay-by date on these other cases for the same date. So you can start making payments on these cases now, sir.
Okay.
As soon as we get all this in, I recommend that you pay this at any DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit, or that you come down to the court and pay these. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'm going to dismiss the other matters. As for the civil infractions that were not set aside, that's case numbers SP 941761, counts 1, 2, and 3. Those weren't set aside. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna waive the late and the reinstatement fees for each one of those tickets to get you down to the original cost of the ticket. All right, sir?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna put a pay-by date, April 29th. I'm gonna put a review date for April 29th and a trial date. So you need to start making an effort and making those payments, all right?
All right.
You have any questions, sir?
You talking to me? Yes. Yes, I have one. So after we get off the phone and get off court, and I was to make a payment this Friday, I will only have to pay for the one you said, right?
Yeah, the ones I said, so you're gonna have to pay the ones you took a plea to, and you got
Yeah.
those 3 other ones that were in default that you're gonna have to pay. But I waived a lot of the fees for those. And we are gonna set, I would suggest that when you see a $45 amount there, I would suggest you
Yeah.
pay those $45 amounts right away. Those are gonna get you clearances.
Okay.
Then you gotta come back for the trial on the EWOP ticket, all right?
Okay.
Listen,
I have
sir,
one more question.
yes.
You say pay on it, or I have to pay it all by April 29th?
Well, just do what you can. I know you're working now.
Okay.
Do what you
Okay.
can. Just make an effort, a valiant effort to do that, all right?
Okay.
So, listen, sir, I appreciate your honesty, and I appreciate the fact that it seems like you're working now and you're on your feet. So, keep that up, sir. Are you a registered voter?
Yeah. I'm just not trying to keep making the same mistakes from the past. So I came to court, and I'm trying to work on getting my license.
Your Honor,
Yes.
hearing what Mr. Lewis has said on the disregard matter, we can make it a blockading.
All right. It's gonna cost you a little more money on that, $45 more. Well, I'll just keep it the same price. We'll amend the whatchamacallit, the blocking traffic, you know.
Okay.
You got the city attorney believing in, you got people believing in you, sir, so keep up the good work, and the most important thing is come to court.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing right now. I got a pay by date, April 29th, and then I got a trial date, April 29th. All right, 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, sir.
All right, thank you. Have a blessed day. You too.
You as well. I'll see you back on your birthday.
Okay.
All right, bye. All right, Mr. Corporal Whitehead, let's call that case. This is the city of Detroit versus Waihee Abdul Glenn, case number SP 1231403, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Corporal Whitehead, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Corporal Whitehead, Detroit Police Department, badge 4344.
What precinct, Corporal?
I'm traffic enforcement, so I'm not at a precinct. I'm citywide.
Very well. All right. I understand you probably don't have an excuse for where your client is, Ms. Perkins Moore. What we're going to do is we're going to issue a show cause and see if we can find them. Corporal, I just want to make sure I put that on the record for you. And if it's nothing further, you all have a very good day.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. All right, Ms. Perkins Moore, thank you so much. And Mrs. Williams Law, this looks like an early lunch for you guys.
Your Honor, can I get the courtroom phone number, please?
313